Hello, it's Ming. Today we're making Khanom Tako, which is a pudding that can be made with any juices or fruits and topped with a coconut layer. I'm making coconut water and pandan versions with corn and water chestnuts. I'll start by boiling my corn. Once cooked, we'll cut the kernels off the cob and we'll also dice and boil the water chestnuts. To make the pudding, we'll start by adding our juices to a saucepan and adding sugar, which could be adjusted depending on which juices you're using. Then we'll add rice flour, a little bit of tapioca flour, and whisk that all together. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly in one direction until you get a thick and translucent mixture. At this point, we'll fold in the water chestnut and the corn and divide the pudding into cups. Next, we'll make the coconut topping with 2 cans of coconut milk, a little bit of sugar and salt. We'll stir to combine and then add in a little bit of rice flour and let that cook over low heat until it thickens and coat a spoon. Pour on top of our pudding and let it set. That's it. Enjoy! For this full recipe and more, visit crumbs.com.